Animal science really is the exploration of understanding how our livestock go from being born to the food that actually gets to your table.
Our focus is on teaching and preparing students for industry. We also have an option in pre-veterinary science so that we're preparing students who want to go towards a medical route as well.
Our animal science program has an incredible team of faculty, staff, and livestock managers that really create a very holistic educational experience here at Chico State. You will get a lot of theory in the classroom, and then you get the hands-on experience as soon as you hit our university farm. The university farm really is a living laboratory, and it allows us to give students access to sights and smells and sounds of animal science that you just can't recreate on a PowerPoint or a video.
The labs that we have here are very hands-on. We started right off the bat within the first couple of weeks drawing blood on sheep, learning how to strain various animals, touring the meats lab, which is a very unique aspect of the college.
It's all very close, like you know everyone from your freshman year to your senior year with all those people, and you get to know the professors and your advisors, and it's a super close family.
Talk with the faculty, but also talk with fellow students that have been in the program. The faculty are amazing, but the students will tell you also that this program is outstanding and that you would want to join. I personally would recommend it to everybody because I was on the fence too, but I decided to join because of the faculty and other freshman students that I talked to.
Coming out here and applying what I learned in the classroom at the farm has really set me aside from, say, someone who doesn't have the opportunity to come to a farm and just learns in school, because I'm able to apply the book knowledge to real life.
We have students that leave our facility and become USDA inspectors, they become CCOF inspectors, they move into relationships with BLM or the United States Forest Service, and they're able to go out and take the actual hands-on skills that they learned here in our program and take those out in the real world. And that's a huge plus for employers, that they've not only learned the theory, but they've been able to apply and practice that theory in real life. A lot of what we do in the animal science industry really relies on the ability to move animals, to understand basic animal welfare and animal movement, animal handling. Those are huge hot topics in our industry right now that consumers are very concerned about. And so we truly believe that the graduates we produce here at Chico State are leaving with an education that you're not going to find anywhere else.